would shake but still survives. Here, greatness is not just a spark. It carved a path through history's dark. Al-Khwarizmi gave numbers their voice, invented algebra, the world's in choice, and taught us how to code and solve. Al-Biruni charted sky and ground. He measured Earth precise and proud, long before telescopes could evolve. Avicenna, healer of mind and soul, his books on medicine made people whole, and guided both East and West for centuries. Cyrus the Great, the liberator's name, who freed empires, rewrote the game, and made human rights the heart of peace. Rudaki was the first to write in Persian verse with soul and light. His songs still echo through the land. Ferdowsi wrote a nation's lore, 1,000 years in lines of war, to help a culture proudly stand. Rumi's words still soar and spin, on love, on longing deep within. His voice belongs to all who dream. Omar Khayyam looked to the skies, solved questions, then asked why, and drank the stars like poetry. Ismail Samani forged the state, united lands to elevate, and carved the people into time. Not myths, but minds that shaped the skies, whose dreams still blaze where silence blinds. This is Tajikistan.